Alright, what's up, dudes? I decided it was time to change my plugs. I'm getting close to the 120,000 miles that you need to in order to change them, so I've gone ahead. I took the little thing off, and I'm popping off these coil brackets one at a time. Just kind of like that. You know, I don't want to break them, so I'm not gonna do them one-handed the whole way, but you get the idea. So we're gonna start with that. All right. Then with a 10mm, we are breaking loose each one of the coils. And we are going to remove the bolts from the coils. Alright, then each one of these should rotate and then come up like that. And we will just set them aside in order right next to each other. That one really didn't want to come up. Alright, next step. Alright, I'm going to use a 5/8 ratchet to break the spark plug loose. And once it's loose, we've got a spark plug socket which has a little rubber thing on it to get the spark plug out. Alright, I don't want to do this one-handed either because I don't want to put a weird twist on it so I don't break the spark plug. So, but you get the idea. Alright, got our first spark plug out. Should see if this matches the plug we got, which I would imagine it will. Yeah. So you see the model number there, the FK16HR A8 that's written on there. Got these long life Iridiums, and you can see that model number there, FK16HR A8. There we are. We have 4 of them. So these are expensive as shit. They're like $15 to $20 a plug. It's crazy. So we're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on the end of it and slide it on in. Might have gone a little overboard on the anti-seize, but I feel like that's one thing you can't really go crazy on. So just gonna go ahead and there we are. Alright, we'll really get her into place with the other ratchet. Snug, and then quarter turn. There we are. One down. Oop, ready to go. And just scratched my car. Perfect. Alright, see if we can do this without destroying the car. Alright, got the second one in, taking the third one out. Alright, putting the third one in. quarter turn. Alright. And we just got to pull the last one. Alright, last plug. Going in. And by the way, because these are Iridium plugs, you don't gap them. They're too fragile to gap. They come pre-gapped. So you just got to make certain you get the right ones. And a quarter turn. Alright. Now, the only thing we've got to do is put it back together. When we put the coils back on, I'm going to put some bulb grease down inside there to, promote, good spark. Got bulb grease for that. So there we go. Just goobed a bit down in there. And let's see if we can line this thing back up. No, it's not. Alright, I guess they just kind of go back down. I thought there was a thing they gotta hook into, but I guess not. Well, if it doesn't start, we'll know we did something wrong. Dropping the last one in. And then we just gotta put the bolts back in. Alright, I just went back through and tightened them all up. And the only thing we gotta do is put these clips back on. Let's see if we can figure out how to put this thing back on. I don't know what it lines up to. Let's see if I figure it out. There we go. And that's how you change your plugs on your Lexus ES300h. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, look at me, I'm all sweaty. Click the like button, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll catch you guys next video. You didn't think I was going to let you go without seeing it start up for the first time, were you? Did you? Let me put the tools away, and then we'll see. I'll take it out for a drive. Alright, I don't know if you can see me or not, but we should see if this thing starts or if I just completely destroyed it. Let's see if she'll pull out of the driveway. Still in EV mode. There we go. She's running. So I guess that's a success. She's running smoother than she was too. Maybe that'll fix my fuel economy problem. As you can see, I'm only making 30.6 right now. I wasn't certain if that was because of the long trips or the high heat that we were experiencing. It was like over 100 degrees for several days. But there you have it. Anyway, hope you guys dug it. Just click the like button, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll catch you guys next video.
Love it.